Using the mini lap grinder for polishing and grinding. For 90-degree polishing on edges, we have the drums. You can take the nut off and put the drum on, and the glass can come to the side. We can get inside edges. There's also another top which also raises it to get full use of the drum. You don't want to continuously grind on like the bottom half. You want to put a board down or a piece of sheetrock. You can use different levels of the whole surface of the drum so you don't wear out. You wear it consistently. This can also be used with the cones. They just lock in, and if you ever have any trouble getting it off, remember there's a button under here that'll lock it so it'll keep the arbor from moving, and you can remove the drum or the cone. For flat polishing, there is the backer, and that'll screw on the same way as everything else, and it has a Velcro loop, and you can just attach your or remove your pads with the Velcro. It also has a little give to it, so you can kind of push and get inside edges. The top also comes with a splash guard that fits into the little tab holes if you want to use that. So the water shutoff, the main water shutoff, is at a 90. It's shut off, and this is full on pointing into the unit. Water will always be coming out of the center holes here to get water onto your glass, and the holes on the side of the drums, water will come out there, so be sure you have enough water to lubricate your pieces. If you need more water, there is a shut-off on the lock line. You can point the water where you need it and turn on the water. The speed is set by the yellow dial here, 1 through 6, 6 being the fastest, and the on and off switch is here. Always use your ground fault adapter here, which plugs into the unit. Plug it into the wall and then press reset. That'll reset so that this will turn on and off.